Welcome back to Interior Grind. It's been a while, but I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back again. We at a Drees home in Rochelle, Texas, and the subdivision called Meridiana, and we gonna walk on through and see what it do. Let's see if this house is giving what it needs to be gave. Yeah, to the right or to the left. To the right, there's this room dedicated. It's like an office sitting room. They made it like a music room. Then to the right, we're going to find two other bedrooms. Yeah, two bedrooms. Oh, and there's some little intruders into my space. Get on out my show. Yeah, we got this bedroom over here with this ugly ass green wall, but whatever. Then we got this bathroom that looks like an AKA design that I'm like, ew, who put that green tile on the wall? That's hideous, man. That's hideous. Let's go on to this other bedroom. It's boring snoring. Boring snoring. Look at that. Look at that spread they put on that thing. Look at this bathroom. Who wants some deep blue walls and some old janky square tiles? That looks so trade 1995. Yeah, let's get on out of here. Okay, now, let's go on back down the hallway to the little powder room. Hey there. Hey, Miss Lady. Oh, look at that little accent hexagon thing on the wall. Let's move on down the hall. Let's ease on down the road. There they is again. There they is. Dusting on the wall, putting their nasty hands on the wall. Look at that laundry room. I wish I had laundry room in my house when I grew up. But why they put that green cabinets on the wall? Oh, look at here. They got a little palm tree. Remind me of a little Golden Girls wall. Yeah, but they made a little blogger space. Let's move on now. Let's go on and see what that kitchen got going on. Ooh, they got little wine racks up there. Yeah, wine racks, baby. Yeah, we gonna be drinking some Boone's Farm up in here. Then look, they got that all white kitchen with that black backsplash. Not quite a picket, but kind of a picket. Then they got that fridge built into the wall. Then they got that little space dedicated to dining. Ooh, but what's back here? It's like a little butler spot where the microwave sits. Then they got that little white counters. Let's move on out. I don't know what they thought they was doing up there above that fireplace though. I don't like that. It look real cheap and country. It look real inward rigged, if you know what I'm saying. But we gonna move on out. But I think these people, they just keep getting in my shot, man. They keep getting in my shot. Let's go on up in here. Ooh, baby, this the master. Ooh, I'm sorry, that's not politically correct to say master. Look at that tub. I like that art on the walls, them little circles. Ooh, look at that glamorous shower. Ooh, yeah. Look at that closet. That closet is banging. It's big. Ooh, I could put my coochie sweaters all up and through here. Let's get on out of here. Yeah, this is it. I might have to put an offer down on this house. But I gotta be out my apartment in a week, so I don't know. That little kid is again. She keep getting in my shot. She keep getting in my shot. And there's her mammy. They need to get out my shot. But they put that little bitty ass bed up in the master. Excuse me, pardon me. The primary suite. Look at the little leaves on the wall. Yeah. I like them little flows they got on. I'm not sure if it's wood or if it's that vinyl. But off the bedroom with me and my baby want to go get cozy and watch some TV, we can go into this little media room. Ooh, look at that countertop. That quartz countertop. Everybody got that same quartz countertop, but it's all good. Look at them vaulted ceilings with them beams up there. Ooh, this house was it. All right, I'll see y'all next time.